You ever walk around and you're just wondering, how do all these people just get all these people to like them, all these people to just talk to them? How do they do it? Like, what is the one secret that they all have in common? Before I even get to anything, bro, what I want you to do is subscribe to the channel, bro. This video might change the way you see socializing with people, the way you communicate with people. I'm about to put you on to how to be charismatic, how to have charm, how to captivate people, how to make people love being around you, how to make you a lovable, likable person, bro. But before we get into anything, like I said, subscribe to the channel and like the video, because the more y'all like the video, the more people that are gonna come in this channel, and then the community is going to grow. You know why? Because the eclipse is gonna get bigger and it's gonna get stronger. You feel me? So like the video up and go crazy. You feel me? Yes, God. This book right here talks about 6 ways to get people to like you, bro. And I'm about to put y'all on right now. Hold on. This is game right here. I'm telling you, bro. All right, so look. In a nutshell, 6 ways to make people like you. The first principle: become genuinely interested in other people. Now, it has to be genuine. You have to mean it. You have to really be interested in the other person. Ask them questions about themselves. Ask them what's their favorite food. Do they have any pets? What was their past like? What battles have they gone through? And what did that mean for them? You feel me? What is something that they're proud of, bro? What achievements are they most proud of? You feel me? How is their connection with their loved ones? What is their relationship with themselves? How do they perceive the world? And then you ask them questions that allow you to dig deep with them. Guess what? The more they can open up to you, the more connected they're going to be to you. That's why I was saying earlier, you have to allow people to be vulnerable with you. And the best way to do that is to become genuinely interested in them. The second principle is smile. Start smiling to people. Smiling is the easiest way to invite people into your, circle. Start doing that and you got them, bro. Trust me. Smile, bro. Even if you don't do it, start smiling. Because look, when you smile, it's telling somebody that I want you here. I want you to be around me. Like, I enjoy your presence. I'm grateful for you to even be here around me. You're inviting them. And when somebody feels invited and accepted, they're more willing to come to the party. Somebody don't want to be somewhere they don't want to be invited at. So why would somebody want to be around you if you give them the vibe you don't want them welcomed here? You feel me? Start smiling, my boy. Or my girl. If you're a female here, start smiling, bro. Smile. Third is remember a person's name. People's names is important. Basically, remember their names. A very, self-explanatory one. Number 4, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves, bro. You see where this whole thing is going? You have to allow people to embrace themselves around you. I was telling you about that introverted dude. I allowed him to embrace himself, and he was able to open up to me in a way that he doesn't open up to anybody else. Why? Because I allowed him to reveal himself to me, to embrace himself. Because not a lot of people do that. So when he came around me, he was able to do it effortlessly. Allow people to talk about themselves. Be a good listener. Sometimes you be talking a little too much, bro. You be lecturing people instead of having actual conversations with people. Your conversation shouldn't just be from person A to B for 45 minutes. What are you doing, bro? This person's falling asleep standing up. How do you make somebody fall asleep standing up? Like, bro, what? You talk too much. You talk more than a college professor. They should start paying you at this point. What are you talking so much for? You feel me? Yes, have a good conversation with people. Go back and forth with people. Like, have great conversations. Express yourself, but express yourself while allowing other people to express themselves too. Man, I'm dropping I'm dropping too many gems, bro. You can't even tell me I ain't dropping no gems, bro. Come on. Another thing is, talk in terms of other people's interests. Talk about what they're interested in. Talk about what they like. Cater to their interests, bro. You don't want to be in a conversation that doesn't interest you, that doesn't spike something in you that you like. You won't invest into something if it doesn't have meaning to you. For me, that's the same thing when you're conversing with people. You have to cater into their interests. And that's the same thing with social media. When you're trying to get people to subscribe to your channel, to watch your content, you have to cater to what they like. You have to cater to what they're interested in. Somebody's not going to watch and click on a video that they don't see any value in. The value comes from the interest. You only value something that you see interest in. So that's the same thing with people. When you're talking with people, cater to their interests, bro. Make the conversation around what they value, bro. And trust me, bro, when you start doing this, bro, people are going to like you even more than they do now. Okay, number 6, make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Now, this is very, 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 very important. Because look, one of the deepest human needs is to feel important. I don't care who it is. I don't care if it's a red pill, sigma male, whatever. I don't care. You know why? Because those same people that go on the internet and talk about I love being alone, you know why they said that? Because at a certain point in their life in the past, that need of feeling important wasn't given to them. That is why they're doing all this stuff. They're going out here, talking about I hate this, I hate that, because that need wasn't met. So they counteracted that with this belief of I don't need anyone. Why? Because of that belief, that situation. You feel me? But you have to make others feel important. If you make someone feel important, bro, they're gonna be more willing to be around you. Nobody wants to be in a place where they don't feel important or feel like they matter. It's a deep human need. Why do you think people go out here on social media, flex their cars, their money, their lifestyle? Because they want to feel important. Everybody has this in themselves. The ego, of course, as well. It just depends on who you are. But everyone wants to feel important to a certain extent, especially when they're talking to you. Which is why earlier I was telling you, when you're talking to somebody and you're having a conversation, not a lecture, Professor Lucas. No, not a lecture, a conversation. If you're just talking and rambling about whatever you're rambling about and not giving the other person a chance to even talk and express themselves, guess what? They don't feel important. And guess what? They don't want to talk to your ass no more. And guess what? You're done. You got to make people feel important, bro. Those 6 rules, bro, and principles, that alone will help you become more charming. Literally. You know why? Because you're making the person feel good. You make them feel important. You make them feel like they matter. You're listening to them. You're giving them attention. You feel me? And guess what? They're more willing to even talk to you. And you see how you're doing all of this for other people? Guess what? They're gonna be more willing to do it for you. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna end it right there. You feel me? That's, bro, I gave y'all hella, bro. This is not even the beginning, bro. This is the second video and we already off to the races, bro. That was a good video. I'm not finna hold you. Like, I need y'all to sub, bro, and like the video so more people can see it, so they can join the Lunar's gang, the Loon Lagoons. You feel me? The Loon Lagoons. I'm gonna start calling y'all that. I'm gonna come up with a name for y'all. Just give me a minute. You feel me? The Loon Lagoons is what I have right now. If you don't like it, suck my dick. I don't care. You feel me? But I don't care. But look, sub. You feel me? Like, comment what you think, comment your opinions, all of that, bro. I want to read that shit and comment what you whatever. You feel me? Talk your shit. I don't care, bro. You feel me? Follow my TikTok, follow my Instagram, DM me if you need advice on anything. And you feel me? Yeah, we off to the races and y'all be safe out. You feel me? Simple.